Building an emergency fund is a crucial step in achieving financial stability and security. EveryDollar is a popular budgeting tool that can help you create and manage your emergency fund effectively. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you build your emergency fund using EveryDollar. First, determine your emergency fund goal. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This amount will vary depending on your individual circumstances such as job security, income, and dependence. Next, track your income and expenses using EveryDollar to understand where your money is going in. Identify areas where you can cut back. Make a list of all your necessary expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and then subtract these from your total income to determine how much you can afford to save each month. Now, set up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This will help you keep your emergency savings separate from your everyday spending money. You can link this account to your EveryDollar account to easily track your progress. To make saving easier and less prone to being neglected, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account. This way, you ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. It is also important to prioritize your emergency fund savings. If you are struggling to save, start small and gradually increase the amount over time. Consider ways to reduce your expenses and allocate the saved amount towards your emergency fund. In addition to saving, it is essential to avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-essential expenses. Treat your emergency fund as a separate entity and only use it for real emergencies such as car repairs, medical bills, or losing your job. Finally, review and adjust your emergency fund regularly to ensure it is still on track to meet your goals. As your income and expenses change, you may need to adjust the amount you are saving each month. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to track your progress, you can build a robust emergency fund that will provide you with peace of mind and financial security.